So guys, in my previous video, I told you all that I will update my Pixel 2 and will show the new features of Android P public beta. So I finally updated my device and Android P is finally here. And man, the update is really the best Android update I have ever used. Now let's see all the new features of Android P. Hey guys, this is Piyush from Tech Telepathy and today I am going to show you the new features of Android P. So let's get started. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So you all know Google has recently announced the Android P public beta version and I am also using this beta version from the past 2 days, and from my experience I never felt that this is the beta Android version. Seriously, it's just the Android version which Google described at their I/O event. Simple, intelligent and digital well-being. Now let's discuss all the new features and improvements. Starting from the home screen, you will see the home button is completely gone now and it's replaced by a small capsule button which works completely on gestures. Swipe up the capsule and you will get all the recent apps. What's more interesting is that all of these apps are live and you can just press on the app and it will copy all the text you have selected. Cool, huh? Anyways, swiping right will take us to the last app. Hold the pill to scroll slowly between apps and release it when you want to choose a specific app. To go home, just tap this capsule. Really cool, but copied. And you know who has copied whom. Yes, these gestures are also nice, but I like the gestures on the iPhone X because they are super smooth and are very fluid. But this is just the first beta on the Pixel 2 and I hope they will improve this thing in a very short amount of time. Anyways, swiping longer or doing a second swipe will take you to the menu bar and on the top you can see the frequently used apps or the recent used apps detected by the Google AI, as this update is all about the AI and machine learning. Now coming to the notification panel, you can see we are now having rounded and more colorful icons and there are some other tweaks as well, like there is a manage notification button in which you can see apps with recent notifications and apps with most frequent notifications. If you don't want any particular app's notifications, you can also disable it from here. Also, the heads of the notifications are also having a new look. They have rounded corners and they also have new colors that clearly indicates that a notch is coming soon to the Pixel 3. Apart from all that, there are many other visual changes also. The volume adjustment bar is at a perfect place and it's also having the option to silent or vibrate the phone along with the sound settings icon. I also like the new rotation toggle option in which you can manually turn on the rotation when you have rotated your device. You can manually rotate the device if you want to, even when the auto rotate is turned off. This feature is actually really handy for me. So these are some of the things in Android P, but there are some more AI stuff as well. So let's talk about them now. As you all know, these days all the companies are in the race to implement AI in everything and Google doesn't want to be behind anyone. In fact, at the Google I/O, the every fifth word spoken was the word AI. So naturally, you can expect AI in Android P as well. The Android P includes a new adaptive battery feature which monitors your app usage pattern and will shut unnecessary apps intelligently to save battery life. There's also a new adaptive brightness feature powered by AI. It records user preference and will set the brightness according to that. That's sweet. AI is also present in many other Android P features like the app actions. App actions suggest apps according to the actions you made or the apps you open, and then suggest actions based on your predictions. Like if I call someone and open WhatsApp at the same time, the app action will automatically suggest me that things in the menu bar. That's good, but I don't feel everyone needs this feature, and I personally do not feel the need of this feature. Apart from all these, there are some other additional features as well. There's a new Do Not Disturb Shush mode in which the phone automatically turns to Do Not Disturb mode when you turn your phone over the table. It not only silences the calls and messages but the other visual interruptions too. So these are all the features in the Android P public beta. I really love this Android version and I am expecting a lot more improvements in the future updates. What do you think about this update? You do tell me in the comments section below. I hope you like my video and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting videos like this in the future. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys and see you in the next one.